Welcome to Chopper's Corner. Hello, welcome to Chopper's Corner, and today we are doing an unboxing video. I got some nail supplies in the mail. You know, did some Black Friday shopping, so I wanted to come and share what I picked up. I got some new things, and then I read up on like some of my favorite products. So let's get into it. So yeah, it's super exciting. I have my packages here. You'll see nail mail. All right, let's see what I got. I'm gonna start with this one because this is from Nail House. So I had went into my local beauty supply and I did see some Nail House products in IRL. But I used a code and I got this shit for like, I think like 60% off. I don't really remember what I got. So we shall see what's in here. Okay, cute. I'm loving it already. They got the little thank you card in there. Nice. So thank you from them. And this video is in no shape or form sponsored. I just, I'm a nail addict. So look at what I got. Let's get into her. Okay, so I got me some rose cuticle oil. Look at this. I bet it smells really freaking good. I'm gonna do a little smell at the end of the video. But the packaging, oh my god. High key to die for. Like, oh, look at that. It's cuticle oil for my clients. I got that on Zach. I got me. I did get some gel polishes. These fucking tooth gems got me talking hella type of funny. So yeah, I got me some gel polish. I got this cute color. Okay. I'm not gonna swatch. I'm just gonna give y'all a little. Dang, you can't really see. It's a little runny because it was in the packaging. I'm gonna probably have to swatch that, y'all. This is my first nail video, so bear with me. Yeah. And then we got this other one. These are 15 milliliters, which is really, really good. What color is this called? This is called Best Mistake. Yeah, I remember I seen this online. This is Best Mistake, and this is called Celosa. So this is Best Mistake. That's Celosa. Ooh. I keep want to put this shit back in a box because the box is cute as hell. Like, what the fuck? Okay. And I had recently got some builder gels off of Amazon, but I already got those. I already opened those. I already used them. That's what I used on my nails. These are Gel-X. Okay. Yeah, so the best part about being a nail tech is I get to try all the products on myself first. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, I see what it's really doing, what it's really hitting for. So, apparently I got 3 more polishes from Nail House. I bought 3 more polishes from Nail House. I got this one called Touch Me. This is the color. I got another one called Blackout. Oh, because I needed a black. I need a good black. So I got this Blackout. It's had some good reviews. And I got this purple. Today I'm actually doing a Christmas set. And none of these are Christmas colors. But it's okay. Ooh. Y'all see that purple though? Like, it's very edible. I'm gonna save the black for last. Ooh, okay. Literally obsessed with pink. I'm pretty sure I have a lot of pinks. But you can't never have too many pinks. You know how many shades of pinks there are? Like, yeah, come on now. So yeah, look at this black motherfucker Blackout, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, don't play with her. So we gonna look at that last. I'm gonna give y'all a view of everything aesthetically, you know, so y'all could like, you know, see if this is something that fits your vibe. So let's see what else we got. So E-Nail, when I first started doing nails, this is like one of the first places I bought from, but like they shit is expensive. So yeah. Caught them on a motherfucking deal, and I'm not gonna lie, I got like maybe, I think this is like close to over $200 worth of nail products that I got on sale. So shout out to a motherfucking sale. I don't know if they have a sale right now. You can go look, go check. But you know, packaging, check me out, ho. Yeah, what's up? Okay. My second receipt. Let me see what I bought. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 things. So let's see what's in this package, shall we? Hey, oh my God. So my background might be a little different, you know. I don't even know if my last part recorded, so let me just go ahead and show y'all the box again, because I don't know if that part recorded. But yeah, I only opened one thing so far, which was I opened 2 things, sorry. I opened the cuticle remover, which is Bulgarian Rose cuticle remover, and I'm pretty sure it has like a really good smell because I had got some cuticle oil from them before, and it smelled so good. It smelled like cotton candy or bubblegum or something. Well, it smells clean. It smells like rose. It smells like roses. Nice. So I got cuticle remover, cuticle oil. This is Dom Top Coat. So cute. I'm actually gonna open all of this off camera, and then I'm just gonna come back on here and show y'all everything, because yeah. Okay, so I got everything open, and I'm going to show y'all everything, but I really wanted to show y'all this real fast. Look at this. For the top coat, for the matte velvet top coat. Are you fucking shitting me? Like, she's so pretty. Oh my God. So I'm gonna show y'all everything, give y'all a look at oh, well, okay. My bad. Hold on. Fix the camera. So this is the velvet matte top coat. This is some base coat that I got from the company as well, that I bought from the company as well. Dom Top Coat. I already had this. Look, this is my old one. Look at the new one. That's funny. They got the same packaging, but you could tell I had this one for a long time. I have like their other base coats and stuff like that too. Base coats, you know, shit old though. So I had to get me some new ones. Like I said, I love their company. Hologram power. Some motherfucking holographic motherfucking polish. Are you fucking shitting me right now? Like, sorry, I'm kind of cussing a lot.
Yeah, it's good to watch you.
No, it's not. Nobody watch me right now. This is a brand new motherfucking channel, bitch. What's up? I might look like a kid, but I'm not one, so I'm sorry for your child. But... Okay, so now I have remover magic, which I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what the fuck this is. It says, I'm gonna have to look this up because I don't know what the, I think you help this breaks down your polish or something. I just got this shit just to get it because I don't have it. And last but not least, I have me a magic detail brush. So I decided not to give me an acrylic brush because, you know, I'm a gel tech now. That's what I do. And look at this detail. Look at this motherfucking detail brush. Okay, look at the packaging. All right, I just hyped the fuck out of y'all. You know, but it is what it is. I'm like a Sailor Moon type of bitch. I really like this shit. It looks cute as hell. So thank you for watching my video. I'm gonna give y'all, you know, a good little look at the end. And for more content, beauty, lifestyle, and manifestation content, subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna be here. Welcome to Chopper's Corner. Peace and love. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. See you soon. Talk to you whenever. And on my bitches,